I'm gonna make one of my favorite salads. So this one's pretty easy, especially if you get the spring mix already washed, ready to go. So what I do is I do spring mix with smoked Gouda, which is my favorite. It's creamy and yummy and full of flavor. I chop it up in tiny, tiny, tiny little pieces on top of the salad. And then I'll slice up some onions, saute them in olive oil, and get them nice and sauteed. And then I'll do oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, maybe some like dried oregano. I'll do some whole grain bread, like I saute in olive oil with the onions, and do like croutons. So like the croutons and the onions will warm up the Gouda cheese and make it nice and yummy. That's gonna be dinner. It's gonna be yummy.